So how does a drone actually find its way home if it loses its GPS signal?
You've probably wondered this. If the GPS cuts out, how does a drone not just get completely lost?
Well, it starts with GPS itself. It's great, but you just can't count on it all the time.
Right? Signals get blocked by buildings, trees, even just random radio interference can knock it out. And that's exactly why drones have a backup plan. They are not designed to depend only on GPS.
Here's the key. Even with no signal, the drone has a memory of its own journey. It uses its internal sensors to keep track of its speed, its direction, basically all its movement. This means it asks a totally different question. GPS asks, where am I on the map?
But the drone sensors ask, how did I move to get here from where I started? By adding up every single movement, it builds this estimated path of its entire flight.
And get this, return to home isn't just a simple command, it's actually a decision. This decision is triggered by things like a low battery, a weak signal, or increasing risk.
Once that call is made, the drone just starts following that estimated path right back home. Now, it's not flying blind. It's using any sensors it has to constantly correct its course. And this idea is huge. It's not just for drones. It's vital for a lot of advanced tech. Think about it. Robotics, submarines, even spacecraft. They all use this same basic concept.
So the main takeaway is that drones navigate using smart decisions, not just a simple GPS signal.